I got you both Sleepsia Bamboo Pillows. I am super excited to fluff them up. Unlike other rigid pillows, these bamboo pillows fluff up like a huge and soft cloud. I love fluffing them. It is a crazy and fun process. It is super convenient to take the bamboo pillows out of their safety packaging. Wow, these just look fab. These come all wrapped up in the vacuum packaging, safe and secure. It seems amazing to see a flat pillow become ready for bed in no time. Let me just spread it and push the pillow in and out from all four sides. It will help the memory foam chunks to break, and it will let the air pass through. I am going to repeat it till it becomes enormous. Wait, I have another golden tip on how to fluff up your bamboo pillows. Let us move on to the second method. Simply put them in the dryer on low heat settings for 3 to 4 minutes. Within some time, you will see that your flat pillow just bulge out. Last but not least of them, keep it in some airy or ventilated area so that they fluff up with the air flowing around. It helps let the packaged odor or gassing off-odor go away. A perfectly fluffed up pillow will add to your amazing sleeping experience with Sleepsia Bamboo Pillows. Without a doubt, it is a stress-free process and immensely satisfying. Sleepsia, say hello to sleep.